We can totally do like a cool snow rig. Look, we got the snow rig, Jake.
Come on.
Okay, you want to know what I like?
I'm a snow rig, Jake.
Just in case. Who do you think I like better? Who do you think I like better? Who do you think I like better? Pick and choose. Who do you think I like better? Do you think Undertaker?
Undertaker. Undertaker's really cool.
Undertaker. Layla's right.
Yeah.
Alright. Come here.
Guys, it's fun Sunday.
Come here. Wait. Wait.
I'm
Let's
hot.
play a game.
Let's take our coats off soon.
Let's play a game. Okay. Game, come here.
One, not gonna hold it. Secondly, you got hot. I mean, you got cold easily.
Okay.
I dare Robert to get something for someone.
Ready?
I dare.
Pick and choose which one I like.
So I'm cool with just.
Pick and choose which one I like.
This one.
Are you sure? You got 2 chances with this one. There's a bird in here.
There's a bird. Look, I hear it. I hear it.
Oh yeah, it's right there.
Where? Where? There's a bird. Hey, where's the bird? Don't see it.
Yeah, it's right there.
Wait, where's the bird? I have a bird in the store.
Where,
That's weird.
Sam? Sam, you see him, right?
You don't see the bird?
Sam, where's the bird at? Sam.
I'm looking right at it. It's right there.
I don't see it.
Right here. Caleb, up here. It's right there. No, it's right there. Look up. Look up. Caleb, the bird's not over there. Guess where it's at? Look up.
Sam, look.
Look up. You see the beak? Do you see an orange beak? Up here. Look near by the rafter. Look near by the rafter.
What's the raptor?
You see the bird? You see the bird? Look near by the rafter.
What's a raptor? Is that big square?
Yeah, look near by the rafter. You'll see the bird. Yeah, it's right there.
It's right where?
I got it on camera.
I don't see it.
It's there.
Is there a beak?
Yeah, there's a beak sticking out.
From what side?
This side. Right side.
The right side right here?
Yeah, right side rafter. Near by the light. Above the light.
I don't see it. I don't see it.
Above the light. Near by the rafter, above the light.
I don't see it, bro.
Cab, come here. Come here and look up.
That's her one.
In mine, it's like it's sewer. Take a picture. Take a picture of it.
Nah, I already got a video. It's on video.
No, I'm saying you should do it. You could do one like that.
Nah, I got it right here.
I think I see that better.
Come here. I'll show you where it's at.
Can you see it?
Yeah, look up at the ceiling.
Look up at the ceiling on his phone.
Oh, okay.
No, not up on that.
Look at his phone.
Right there.
Where?
Do you see it, Layla? Yeah, right there.
Oh, wow.
By the light.
Oh, wow.
Come here, Caleb.
Yeah, mine might be.
You go around.
I guess that's where it makes sense.
No say it, by the light. See where it's at? By the light.
What is it doing on the light?
Oh, it's just chilling there.
Oh, that's cool. I think I'm gonna get rid of the light header for staring at these lights.
Yeah.
We're outside.
Go ahead.
no idea.
Pick and choose.
Pikachu.
Sam, pick and choose which one I like out of these.
Hey, Bellraiser, the yellow. The girl one. Nemo.
There's Sweeney and there's Wolfranger. And then there's Kimberly. Get that.
Can you put her? Here, I'll put it right here. I'll put her coat right there. How's that? If you want to take your jacket off, go ahead. Alright. Aww.
Oh, from the thing, remember?
Boo! Look at Big Boo!
Look.
You gotta pet it.
The other new one, didn't she have a baby?
Yeah, that's her baby.
No.
Her baby's named Blue.
They're gonna make another one. I heard.
Her baby's name. Oh yeah, they're making a fourth one.
Yeah, I heard a guy. What's the name of the guy plays the?
Chris Pratt.
Yeah, he was talking about.
Yeah, they're making a fourth.
Okay. And guess what, Rob? Yeah.
Roar!
I fell.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
Sam.
After you go.
Spider-Man!
I'm just saying.
Can't look.
Why? You eat. Oh yeah,
Oh,
you're
I
right.
just say
And you said
two.
you like, yeah, and what are we doing now?
Yeah, Spider-Man.
I'm looking.
It's gonna make, yeah, it's not gonna make you good.
You.
No, I meant that you won't. You can squish your stomach and you digest.
Roar. Roar.
You do walk over. Don't be doing weird stuff. You're gonna make you feel good.
Roar.
That's cute.
Roar. Roar.
Dinosaur Spider-Man.
Roar.
There's Spider-Man dinosaur, Sam.
Dinosaur. Sir, that's so cool.
Look at that.
Let's have a swimming dinosaur.
Look at that.
Whoa, Sam. Hey, Harry Potter.
Ice. It's like an ice.
Sam, what's Harry Potter?
Take it down.
It's a school, Sam. Look.
It's the Hogwarts school.
Well, that's $80.
Okay, well,
Paw Patrol will be there on the double. No pup too big, no pup too small. Paw Patrol, we're on the way. Paw Patrol, we'll be there on the double.
Just looking for any-
Paw Patrol,
Hey, you don't have good singing.
we'll be there on the double.
Okay.
No pup too big, no pup too small. Paw Patrol, we're on the way.
Paw Patrol, 'cause you haven't watched it.
Paw Patrol, we'll be there on the double. Paw Patrol, we'll be there on the double. No pup too big, no pup too small. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll.
Maybe then, maybe he doesn't know that. Whatever, if he does, I don't care.
Remember how I used to watch that? Remember how I used to watch it with Layla
I did?
all the time?
Wait, I did?
Yeah, ask your mom. I used to watch it. I used to watch it with you all the time.
How old was I?
Little,
Wow.
teeny tiny, ankle height. Oh no, I can't do that.
Very, if you're doing that, very calm. Very calm.
Very calm. Very calm. Go ahead, guys.
Show the camera. Face the camera, Sam. This camera.
Hula hoop in 3, 2, 1.
What are we supposed to do with these? Okay, Sam, you try. I want to lay it. No, I was joking. Okay, well, Sam, you try. 3. Just show over your face again. On my face. And then the camera. Alright, 3. Can you do countdown? I'm probably going to countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
I think I'm too small.
Alright. I'm big, but I can't do it as much as I usually do.
Kevin, how do you do it? How do you do it?
With this.
You didn't know, like around.
I never do it.
Around.
Cam, come here.
Yeah, with
Yeah, you might have small, because I want you to be loud.
No, side to side.
You gotta do that.
Side to side. Side to side.
There's birds! 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 Birds!
Where? Oh yeah, there is a bird. 2 birds.
Where's the birds? That's it. I think we just saw the birds there. They're
Put it back.
flying.
Put it back. Put it
There was
back.
birds.
Let's put these back.
Tell them what birds.
Oh, they're gonna open up the rafters. Just give it time.
Wait. We do. I think we're scavenger hunt for birds. Looking for birds. You want to do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
Look for birds. Let's go. Let's be able to.
We gotta stay in this section though. Oh look, there it is. There it is. Right up there. Right up there. There it is. There it is. Right up there. Right up here. Okay, look up. Look up. There it is. No, left. It's looking right at me.
Where? Look up, Sam. Do you see it? There you go.
I don't know.
The little black thing. Look up. Yeah, that's how you can tell that's why they're active. Yeah, that's where they are. That's where one of them went. One of them's in the shelf. One of the birds are on the shelf. Yeah, you just passed the shelf.
That way.
No, one of them landed in the shelf.
Is it gone now?
No, it's still there. No, one of them are still there. They're in the bird seed. They're in the bird seed. They're right here. Right here. One of the birds are right here. Listen. Listen. Camp right here. Right here. The one's over here. On the shelf. One of these shelves they're right on.
Can't hear anything. So which one is it going?
Why don't the other one?
The other one flew up
I
here.
saw it fly that way. When you were down there, I saw it fly like that.
Yeah, it's over there somewhere.
Let's see if you can find it. Find it.
Over here. The other one's over here. Follow Caleb. The one's over here on one of these shelves. What? Or just haul it. Right here. There's one right here. Ah, there it is. There it is. Look up. Kim, look up. You're looking at it.
There's the bird.
Right here. By the rafter. 1, 2.
Where? I don't see it.
By the rafter. You'll see the 2. Right by the rafter.
Oh, is that the raptor?
Yeah. You'll see both birds.
Is they black?
They're right here. There's one of them. No, they're right there, not in the rafter.
We're not inside.
By the rafter. No, just by the rafter. By the rafter. No, don't look at the light, just look at the ceiling. They're right by the ceiling. Cam, you got your phone, right?
What? Please?
Cam, here, give me your trash.
Yeah.
Cam, put your trash here. Put your trash
I
here.
can't spell.
I knew it.
No, it's right here. Look. There's one over here. There's one over here.
No, this is the other one. We saw it fly that way. Like when we were over here.
Where? I don't see any birds.
I'll try to get it where the other bird is. The one bird's over here. You have to look up and down.
Up and down.
I found it.
Where?
By the rafter.
Yeah.
By the rafter, you'll see it. That's where they hang by. They hang by the rafters because they know which rafter.
You see it.
There you go. There it is. Right up there.
Is that the plate? I can't tell. That's a plate or the... Oh, that's a plate.
No, it's not. It's a bird.
That plate is with a white thing standing above black eyes. And that's a plate.
No, black eyes.
Yes, it is.
No, it's a bird. Two of them. There you go. They're right here.
I see it.
One,
Where
two.
are you saying that now?
They're right here.
It's a bird. It's
They're right here.
over there.
No, you do not see it, Sam.
Maybe right there. That's where they probably went.
Where?
By the rafter. I'm looking at it. I got a good on camera. We're good.
I don't see it.
Here, back up. Back up. I can get it on my phone too. Found two.